Hi boys and girls, my daughter Alexa and I are here with delicious math again this week, and it's subtraction again, which means more eating. Yay! I'm Mrs. Logan, by the way. All right, so we've got our supplies here. We have a bowl of delicious treats, cereal today. We each have a marker. We each have a pencil. We each have a paper clip and a paper plate. And we have made ourselves a little whiteboard. If you have a whiteboard at home and a whiteboard marker, you can use that. We don't have a whiteboard, so we put a piece of white paper inside of a Ziploc bag. We've got a regular marker, and we have a rag that is wet on one side and dry on the other side. So that's gonna be our whiteboard marker for today. Now the first thing we need to do is make ourselves a spinner. So Alexa, let's write the numbers 1 through 10 around our plates.
In marker or pencil?
In marker.
Okay. Like a clock?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 3 is perfect right there.
You want to make sure when you write your numbers that you don't have any backwards numbers.
Did I do that right?
Yep, looks great.
My numbers.
All right, now this is how we're going to make our spinner. Super simple spinner. Put your paper clip in the middle of your plate. Hold your pencil on your paper clip like this, and you're going to give it a flick. Here we go, Lex. Let's flick. Ooh, mine is pointing to 10, and yours is pointing to 4. Which number is bigger, 10 or 4?
10.
So let's get the big number first, and I'm going to write the big number on the whiteboard. 10. Let's put 10 Cheerios on there. You want to put 10 down?
Okay, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 right there. Just anywhere.
Yeah.
All right, the bigger number was 10, so we've got 10 Cheerios, but you spun
4.
a 4. So we're gonna take away 4. I'm gonna use the minus sign like this, take away, and I'm gonna write a 4. Down, across, and down once more. That is how you make a 4. All right, so let's take away 4.
So you want me to add 4?
1,
2,
3.
away. 4.
All right, we had 10, we took away 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6. All right. Down and make a loop. 6 rolls like a hoop. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 take away 4 equals 6. All right, well, we're done with those Cheerios, so we should eat those and go on to the next one.
Oh, yeah, that's probably good.
Let's do 6 take away 6 is 0. All right, and let's do our next one. It's okay, it fell on the ground, we'll leave it. That's okay. Let's do the next one. Get your paper clip, get your pencil.
Yeah.
Poke it in the middle. And ready? 1, 2, 3. I got a 4. What'd you get?
I like between 7 and 6.
Okay.
Should I go
looks
with?
like it's a 7.
Okay.
All right, we have a 7 and a 4. Which is the bigger number?
7.
7. So let's put 7 on the whiteboard.
2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 7.
All right, and I'm going to make a 7. Across the sky and down from the heavens. That is how you make a 7. But I spun a 4, so we're going to take away 4. So let me put that take away symbol, that minus sign, and I'm going to put a 4 down, across, and down once more. That is how you make a 4. Let's take away 4, Alexa.
1,
2, 3, 4. 7 take away 4 equals how many?
1, 2, 3.
3. Around the tree, around the tree. That is how you make a 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 take away 4 equals 3. All right, let's do 3 take away 3 equals 0.
Okay.
I'll eat them this time. All right, let's erase it and let's try again. Okay, get your spinner ready. You want to count down this time? Oh, you're just gonna spin.
sorry.
Okay, that's okay. Oh, I got a 1. What'd you get?
6.
6. What's bigger, 6 or 1?
6.
6 is the bigger number. So, let's see. Down and make a loop. 6 rolls like a hoop. And let's put 6 on the whiteboard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right, the number that was more was 6. The number that was less was 1. We're going to take away 1. That's what I spun. So I'm going to put my minus sign. 6 minus 1 equals, there's my equals sign. 6, take away 1 equals how much? Alexa, go ahead and eat 1 and let's see what's left when we subtract 1. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. First go down and then make a tummy. Put on a hat. A 5 looks funny. 6 minus 1 equals 5. We're subtracting 1 from 6 and we get 5. Okay, you want to do 5 minus 5 equals 0?
Sure.
Okay. We like to make it to 0. Boys and girls, I would love for you to play the same game with your family at home. We're going to change it up and we're going to switch to jelly beans. Because we just like to do delicious math with jelly beans. That's our very favorite. While we play delicious math with jelly beans, I want you to click on the next slide and see what supplies you need and get started playing this game on your own. Choose someone from your family to play your subtraction game with you so that you can practice subtracting and subtracting and subtracting with your homemade spinner and your homemade whiteboard and something delicious like Cheerios or
Jelly beans.
jelly beans. Thank you, boys and girls.